I'm going to do a really simple demo to show how easy it is to go from something as simple as a Google image to part in minutes. And so I'm just going to go to google.com, click on images, and then it's only going to show images. So now I'm going to type in here to do a Beagle silhouette. So here I have one that I like, so I'm just going to right click on it and I'm going to copy the image. From here, I'm going to go into the CAD/CAM software. I'm not sure what was there, so I'm just going to start a new drawing to be safe. I set up the size of the material that I want to use, hit OK, and then just paste this image on the screen. Now that I have it pasted onto the screen, I'm going to click on this image, which will allow me to convert it from a raster image into a vector image. I can then just click here, delete the original raster image, and then size it and place it where I want it to be. So just make this a little larger. And this could be, 4 by 4 feet or 5 by 5 feet or, any size you want. I don't want to make it that big, so I'm just going to make it fit this particular work area because I have plenty of room to make it. Next, I'm going to give it my tool path so that it knows how we're going to make it. So we just go in and hit select. I'm going to select my material. So based on which consumables are in the machine, so in this case I have a 45 amp sync cartridge. I'm going to cut 12 gauge mount steel, hit calculate. That gives me my tool path. And from there, actually it's showing it in like a MDF material. If we want to, we could simulate it. Also show it in steel. And we'll just preview all. Not really exciting, but you can see how it's being made. And then from there, we simply save it. We're here, and then we're able to cut it out.